ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു പി എസ് സി ഇൻസൈറ്റ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേരള PSC 2020 നവംബർ 11 നടത്തിയ ജൂനിയർ പബ്ലിക് ഹെൽത്ത് നേഴ്സ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറും കേരള PSC പ്രസിദ്ധീകരിച്ച പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയുമാണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കോഡ് 047/20. ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, Drug kit B is given at option B sub center. 2. International AIDS Day is celebrated on dash every year. Option D 1 December. 3. Who is the chairman of Health Survey and Planning Committee? Option A A.L. Mudaliar. 4. Principle of health education include all except option C punishment. 5. Census is conducted in every dash years in India. Option C 10. 6. ASHA is recruited under option A NRHM. 7. The most common side effect of IUD insertion is option B bleeding. 8. MMR vaccine is given at option D 18 months. 9. Diagnosis of TB according to DOTS is option C 1 out of 2 samples positive. 10. According to the maternal health program, the daily dose of folic acid for pregnant women should be option D 400 mcg. 11. Which of the following vaccine is not administered at birth? Option A HIB. 12. DMPA is an injectable contraceptive given every option B 3 months. 13. Toxic shock syndrome is due to which vaccine? Option D measles. 14. Minimum gap that should be allowed in between to administer 2 live vaccines. Option C 4 weeks. 15. Gobi campaign of the UNICEF include all except option A observation. 16. Which is the best determinant of the health status of a community? Option B infant mortality rate. 17. Zero incidence is option A elimination of disease. 18. Micronutrients include option B minerals. 19. Pellagra is due to the deficiency of option A niacin. 20. A person with a body mass index 18.5 to 25 belongs to the category of option A normal weight. 21. Which of the following is an example for food adulteration? Option C mixing of papaya seeds with the pepper. 22. Smallest bone situated in the middle ear is option A stapes. 23. Inflammation of gum is called option B gingivitis. 24. Total number of canines in human oral cavity. Option D 4. 25. Outer layer of the heart wall is option C pericardium. 26. Type of mosquito transmitting malaria. Option A Anopheles. 27. Instrument used to calculate the amount of bleaching powder for disinfection of the well. Option D Horrocks apparatus. 28. Hormone secreted by posterior pituitary gland. Option B oxytocin. 29. Minimum distance between septic tank and source of water. Option C 15 meters. 30. The ability to understand self is termed as option D insight. 31. Defense mechanism in which Unacceptable desires are redirected into socially desirable channels. Option B, sublimation. 32. False fixed belief that cannot be corrected by reasoning is called. Option A, delusion. 33. Science dealing with aging process. Option C, gerontology. 34. The term for fear of height. Option D, acrophobia. 35. Rabies is caused by. Option C, Lysa virus. 36. Population covered by an Anganwadi worker is. Option D, 1000. Next question, 37. Flag sign is characteristic feature of which disease? Option A, kwashiorkor. 38. Universal immunization program was launched in the year. Option C, 1985. 39. Under vitamin A prophylaxis program, children between 1 to 6 years are given. Option B, 2 lakh IU of vitamin A. 40. Sabin vaccine is given for the prevention of. Option C, poliomyelitis. 41. One subcenter is for the population of. Option B, 5000. 42. The most appropriate time to collect sputum specimen from the patient is. Option C, early morning. 43. Immunity transferred to fetus from the mother through the placenta is. Option C, passive natural immunity. 44. The simplest method of prevent cross infection is. Option C, hand washing. 45. Immunization is a method of. Option A, primary prevention. 46. Pap smear examination is done to diagnose. Option B, cervix. 47. Route of administration of measles vaccine is. Option B, subcutaneous. 48. Which one of the following is a live vaccine? Option C, BCG. 49. Constant presence of a disease within a geographic area. Option A, endemic. 50. A person who harbors pathogenic organisms without showing the manifestation of the disease. Option C, carrier. 51. 5 teaspoons is equivalent to how many milliliters? Answer option B, 25 milliliter. 52. Which pulse should be the nurse palpate during rapid assessment of an adult unconscious patient? Option D, carotid. 53. The following are the standard tuberculosis drug except. Option B, chloromazine. 54. Dash is a water soluble vitamin. Option C, vitamin B. 55. The infant sit alone at the age of. Option C, 6 months. 56. The Child Labor Protection and Regulation Act prohibit employment of children in factories below the age of. Option B, 14 years. 57. Psychosocial development of adolescence is. Option C, identity versus role confusion. 58. A protein deficiency syndrome in which weight below 60% growth retardation and generalized oedema. Option B, kwashiorkor. 59. Damage to the upper brachial plexus involving the 5th and 6th cervical nerve roots result in. Option A, ERB's palsy. 60. Which vaccine prevent both measles and rubella? Option D, MR vaccine. 61. Surgical management of undescended testis. Option A, orchiopexy. 62. Congenital X-linked recessive bleeding disorder caused by the deficiency of coagulation factor 8 or 11. 8 or 9. Option B, hemophilia. 63. Which of the following worm larvae is transmitted by penetrating skin on barefooted individual? Option C, hookworm. 64. A commonly found eating disorder in adolescent girl by reducing food intake, mostly carbohydrate and fat, or by refusing food, or by inducing vomiting. Option A, anorexia nervosa. 65. The dose of PPD used in Mantoux test is option D, 0.1 ml. 66. The projectile non-bolus vomiting visible peristalsis in the upper abdomen, palpable olive-shaped mass, weight loss are clinical manifestation of option D, hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. 67. The exclusive breastfeeding recommended up to the age of option B, 6 months. 68. The type of pelvis commonly known as male pelvis is option C, android pelvis. 69. Anterior fontanelle normally closes by the age of option D, 18 months. 70. Normal fetal heart rate is option B, 120 to 160 beats per minute. 71. Name given to the endometrium during pregnancy. Option B, decidua. 72. A woman who has not carried a pregnancy to the point of viability. Option B, nullipara. 73. Partograph is a tool for option B, observing the progress of labor. 74. A complete or full dilated cervix measures option C, 10 cm. 75. The normal blood glucose level of a newborn option B, 50 to 60 milligram per 100 ml. 76. The liberal administration of high concentration of oxygen to preterm babies for a prolonged period may lead to option B, retrolental fibroplasia. 77. An abortion in which the conceptuous placenta and membranes are expelled completely from the uterus. Option D, complete abortion. 78. A mild, benign and transient mood change during puerperal period is termed as option C, postpartum blues. 79. Indications of emergency cesarean section not include option C, preterm baby. 80. An average life of the human being which is coming in the next years is option B, life expectancy. 81. A woman whose husband does not want to continue as a life partner with her is option D, deserted woman. 82. Causative organism of syphilis is option B, Treponema pallidum. 83. A test to assess the patency of fallopian tube. Option A, Rubin's test. 84. VCTC stands for option A, Voluntary Counseling and Testing Center. 85. Following are 3 P's of normal labor except option D, parity. 86. Janani Suraksha Yojana was launched on option B, 12th April 2005. 87. An investigation to identify a woman at the risk of having a baby with neural tube defect. Option B, alpha fetoprotein test. 88. The term given to reduction in fundal height after 30th week of gestation is option C, lightening. 89. An abnormality of the placenta in which the umbilical cord is inserted at the edge or margin of placenta. Option C, Battledore placenta. 90. During postpartum period, deep vein thrombosis can be assessed by option D, Homan sign. 91. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating milk production? Option C, prolactin. 92. According to MTP Act, medical termination of pregnancy is to deliberate induction of abortion prior to option D 20 weeks. 93. The ratio of infant death registered in a given year to the number of live birth per 1000 live birth is option A, infant mortality rate. 94. The name given to the lochia which occurs 4 to 10 days after delivery. Option A, lochia serosa. 95. Population covered by one subcenter in hilly, tribal and backward areas, 3000. 96. A health worker should have better coordination with which the following sectors. Options: Grama Panchayat, religious representatives, non-governmental organization. Answer is option D, all of the above. 97. National Program for Control of Blindness was launched in the year option A, 1976. 98. National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program is implemented for the prevention and control of following disease except option C, leptospirosis. 99. The approaches that can be used for providing information, education and communication are option D, all of the above. Options: public education, broadcasting, social marketing. 100th question. Registers maintained in a subcenter include all of the below except options: family planning register, inpatient register, UIP master register and MCH master register. Answer is option B, inpatient register. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്രദമായി എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. കൂടുതൽ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾക്കായിട്ട് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്